Hi everyone! So, magandang araw kasi I don't know if what time nyo ito mapanood. So, have a great day. So, andito ako ngayon sa SM Just. Kakatapos ko lang mag-order ng braised beef with pancit canton. Actually, kagagaling lang namin ko lang ng office. Supposed to be, I will be going home, but I'll try to stress para mawala yung stress. So, andito kami with my office mates sa SM. Well, mag-dinner, then after mag-dinner, siguro uuwi. So, the usual days naman sa office, na dumating ako sa office kanina mga, I think that's 6:40 or 6:30 in the morning. So, ang aga ko. Then after that, nag-prepare to start my work. Yun. Well, gano'n naman talaga ang daming trabaho sa office. But still, that's work. Kaya go pa rin. Ang dami yun accomplish at na-accomplish naman. But bukas is Saturday, ngayon is Friday. Bukas siguro mag-report din pa rin po ako para tatapusin ko lang yung mga dapat tapusin. Kasi we will be having activity next week. So I think that's 1, 2, 3 days. Mga 4 days. On Monday kasi may i-fetch ako sa airport and then bibili siya ng mga for giveaways for the activity, kaya yung 3 PM pa naman yung dadarating yung flight niya. So yun, sasamahan ko siya kasi she's from Central Office, so from Manila. Ay, hindi niya masyado alam yung ano dito, kaya kailangan may guide at saka kailangan may guide kung saan bibili sa barter. Kung alam niyo guys, yung barter, mga Malaysian products na only makikita lang dito rin sa Zamboanga City, yun yung ganun doon. Kaya dapat tapusin ko anong tapusin tomorrow, and then tomorrow din opening salvo because it's October next month, so Hermosa Festival, the whole month yung celebration ng Zamboanga City for that. So opening salvo, so sa office namin nag-ask me sino ang join, so hindi ako nagpalisa officially na mag-join. Bukas opening salvo at 5 PM yung parade from City Hall to Grandstand. So maybe siguro if I can finish early at hindi tama rin mag-join ng parade tomorrow. Wow, the usual parade, but I think it's so very kapoy tired. Yun. And actually, kagagaling namin ng department store kasi titingnan nung office mate ko daw kung may pants na buy one take one. Ako tuloy ang napabili ng Bello products kasi may buy one take one. So, wait. I think, alam mo na. And I think nakikita nyo to. So, bumili ako ng tinted screen. Yan. Buy one take one na ka ng 199. Hindi ko alam kung ilang ml to. But ano siya? Handy, pwedeng malay sa bag kasi small. It is good na rin, at least maliit. Meron ako dito malaki, yung 50 ml. I think this is 30 ml, pero pag 30 ml kasi matagal ko na rin maubos. And also, ito yung tinted na parang match siya na foundation na may sunscreen na pag ilagay mo sa face mo, mag-a-adapt sa skin color mo, which is maganda. And then, meron pa akong isang binili na buy one take one deal. So, I think this is 200 plus. Nakakita ko naman din nata sa inyo. Last time. So, I will show this one side. Yung Kojic na may tonic summit buy one take one. Ito yung nilalagay ko every night para mawala lang yung pimples ko. Ito yung nabili ko. Diba? It's expensive. Hi! So, dumating na yung order ko. I have 2 soft drinks. Don't judge. Coke, Pepsi. Pepsi pa lang. Pepsi. Ay, this is only mine. And the pancit, this is worth 100 pesos, and the braised beef. Tanan! Yung sinabi ko kanina. So, we will be having our dinner here kasi mamaya ewan ko kung saan pa gusto ng kasama ko magpunta because it's Friday. So, sabi niya mag-McDo daw. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin niya sa McDo. But, during, kasi Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yung mall hours ng SM is from 10 a.m. until 9 p.m. So, quite matagal today. So, sige lang. But, wala, kakain lang. Just to stress, para mawala ang stress sa office. You just have to work, life, balance, and eat. Pero feeling ko walang ang naparami sa akin, no? So, in a while, my office mate also will get his food. Hindi ko alam kung anong in-order niya. Basta ako braised beef and pancit canton. So, ano in-order mo?
Kangkong and rice flour.
Nagkangkong, ha?
Para complete.
Okay. Nagkangkong daw siya, pero hindi yan siya mamigay sa akin.
Alalala.
Gusto niyo makita, guys, sino siya? Ang pinakamaganda sa PhilHealth. Yan. Actually, matagal na siya sa PhilHealth. Pero nakikita niyo siya sa vlog ko. He's not from here. He's from Tacloban, from Samar. So alam niyo kung meron sa meron sa Samar. Okay. He's from Tacloban, pero yung mga kanununuan niya sa Samar. So alam niyo kung ano meron sa Samar. Magsalita. Diba? No. So anyways, later on, mag-change na naman kami ng venue. Although mag-change kami ng venue, pero wala kami mga pera. Hi, yan guys. Ito yung braised beef ng Chowking. If you happen also to see sa social media, diba? Yan yung braised beef nila. It would cost you, how much ba ito? 209 peso with drinks na. And then, ito din yung isa, pancit canton. This is 100 peso with drinks na. Yan yung canton nila. If you happen to see. Yan. And may drinks ako dalawa for this one. Yeah. And yan yung ano. Okay. Wala pa daw kangkon, guys. So, same. Ano yan? Chow fan? Chow fan steam with siomai? Okay.
Siomai.
Yun. Favorite. Yan, steam siomai. Wala pa yung kangkong niya, guys. Yung kangkong kasi kinukuha pa sa kinukuha pa siya sa so, hindi ako nagsabi, guys, ha, kung saan kinuha. Siya nagsabi. Hi, everyone! So, for now, andito kami sa Dunkin, sa may SM. Actually, it's September 27. Tapos, buy one take one yung iced coffee at saka brewed coffee nila from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, it's already 7:50 in the evening. Pagkatapos na mag-dinner. So, magtambay sana kami for just to have kwenta and just wait for that time. Nagtry ako mag-buy ng iced coffee. Sabi ko, iced coffee with donut. Tapos sabi niya, sir, may buy one take one kami. So, until now available. So, dalawang iced coffee. Tanan! Dalawang iced coffee. Yung office mate ko, ayaw niya ng iced coffee. Brewed coffee. Yung gusto niya. I love the iced coffee of Dunkin kasi hindi ako hyperacidity, but I think hindi na naman ako makatulog mamaya. So guys, dito kami, maghintay na lang ako sa sundo ko. And it's already 7:50 in the evening. 7:50 nga. Yung buy one take one ng Dunkin is until 7 p.m. lang. But likely, I think may sobra. That's why they offer me. So, I'm having my coffee. Iced coffee before heading home. I hope guys, I hope you like my vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this vlog. And maraming salamat sa panonood. Thank you everyone. Until here na lang. See you on my next vlog. Bye!